Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry. The topic that is about Pythagorean theorem. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one we can use about Pythagorean theorem in here. So that is about a square plus b square equals to c square. So 8 that is about this one. And b that is about this one. And c that is about this one. So for this one we can apply the formula in here. So A that is about 27x, B that is about number 5. So this one we put in here. Now this one that is about 729x square. This one we have negative 1350x. This one we have 25 square and that is about 625. This one we have 25x square. And the last one that is about 3969. So we put this one and this one go together, and this one we have 729 plus 25 and we have 754x square. And this one I will go to the left. So 625 minus 3969 and we have negative 3344. And now we have the quadratic equation. So we can find the value of x. And this one approximate about 3.18. And the next one that is about negative 1.39. So we can see that 5x, if we put this one you got about 15. If I put this one you got negative number 5. So we need to find the positive numbers. So that is about this one. And this is the final answer we need to select. This is the end. Thank you for watching.